Hi everybody, and welcome to PGM number 91 of Personal Growth Mondays. We're going to get you 1% better in the mental game every Monday morning. This week we're going to be talking about 4 types of perfectionism. So trying to be perfect usually leads to poor confidence, which leads to poor sense of self, which leads to burnout. So these can be caused by a number of factors. 1, genetics. 2, fear of failure. 3, having learned behaviors as a child. Or 4, setting unrealistic goals that we're not capable of achieving. So if we're going to have perfectionism, what we want to an extent is called adaptive perfectionism. So that's where your ability is to set high goals, high standard for yourself, and not be defined by your performance, but you're always trying to get better. Right? And the opposite of that, we have maladaptive practices of perfectionism. And that's cognitively thinking that you're never good enough and you're never going to achieve what you want because you set so much high of a standard. Number 3 is competitive perfectionism. This is probably the most common one. That's due to you being overly criticized of your own performance from yourself or coaches. You're highly motivated to succeed, but you might get anxiety that you're not playing well or not playing up to what you think is the standard. And the last one is something that we want to seek help on immediately. And that would be extreme perfectionism, where you have a mental health pathological disorder. And this can lead to distress, and others around you might be discouraged by your overall well-being, and question what you were doing or what you're trying to accomplish. So if we get to that, we need to seek help for sure. But those are the types of perfectionism. Be okay making mistakes. That's how we learn and get better. If you like what we saw for Early Performance on Facebook, go to www.earlyperformance.com.